Welcome back to the Mekong Floods and Droughts podcast channel. This is Phongsali from the Mekong River Commission. Let's start with this week's rainfall forecast. Overall rainfall in the lower Mekong basins won't change much compared to last week, though most areas can still expect some rain. From 9 to 13 September, isolated thunderstorms and moderate to heavy rainfall are forecast in the upper and center part of Laos, northeastern Thailand, western and eastern Cambodia, and the three east basins. Affected provinces are Phongsali, Luangnamtha, Vientiane, Xaysomboun, Bolikhamxay, Khammuane, Savannakhet, Saravane, Sekong, Atapeu in Laos, Nong Khai, Beung, Chaiyaphum, Kon Tum, 𝗂𝗏𝗄 Nakhon Phanom, Nakhon Ratchasima, Sakon Nakhon in Thailand, Battambang, Kompong Cham, Kompong Cham, Krong Phai Strang Sreng, Khoje, Mondokiri, Ratanakiri in Cambodia, and Kon Tum, Gia Lai, Dak Lak in Viet Nam. Moving on to the Mekong River flood update. Today, water level at all stations along the Mekong main stream remain within normal conditions. Over the next 5 days, water level from Chiang Saen to Kompong Cham are expected to remain stable or drop slightly by 0.03 to 0.9 meters. Downstream from Phnom Penh Basak, water levels are expected to rise slightly by 0.1 to 0.2 meters. Since these are small changes, water levels at all stations are forecast to remain under normal hydrological conditions, according to the MRC monitoring task force, meaning no significant impact on daily activity along the main stream. The information provided here means for easy communication to the public. Please check out our website, report, and download the One Mekong mobile apps for more technical details and get the most updates from the communities. You can also support our community by sharing photo and video updates through the iReports feature on the apps. Your contributions help improve the flood alert and preparedness across the regions. That's all for today's update. Don't forget to tune in every Monday for the latest on rainfall, water level, flood, and drought conditions in the Mekong River basins. Goodbye for now.